So thank you and welcome back guys to my YouTube channel. This is Fred Mwa and we say as always make sure you subscribe, like and comment. This is part 2 of Niruhusuyesuwangu and I will be covering how to play it on the left hand side or what we call bass side. Alright, so let's get started guys. So how will you play that part? So you start, or you can there's two formula of playing this song. I'll show you two formulas that you can use to play the bass. So the first one, right? That is the first one, and the second, that is if you want the deep bass, but let me start guys with the first one. That is it's like you start like that. You start with G and then A, then G. G, you go to D, then A, and then you finish with G. Then the next part, you start the first one, like that. Start again. All right. Very simple. And then you hold these two like this. Start. See like that, All right, let's go on. I hope you are learning something. And then you repeat. And then the other part. And then you repeat. Nice. Let me play again slowly so that you can see. We are starting like that. There. Like that. And then you come here. I'm playing like that with one finger so that you can be able to see very well. Let us repeat again the last time. You can practice that. That is how you play the left hand. And the last part I have not played. And then now let me play with the beat so that you can see clearly. hope guys you have enjoyed the lesson. You can practice on how to play the left hand guys, and then let's meet on another wonderful lesson. So guys, make sure you subscribe, like and comment and share this video widely. That is how you play the bass of Niruhusuyesuwangu. There is a lot of formula that you can use to play bass, but here I teach the simplest way you can understand. So guys, thank you for watching. Let's meet on the next one.